And in this course, we'll have a look at a business scenario called fill or kill. We'll see what it is from a business context, and we'll see why industries use it. Okay, so fill or kill. Next, we look at how we implement it in SAP and some of the considerations that we need to have. We'll have a demonstration and the configuration, both from a configuration point of view and a master data. With that, we'll have a look at some of the business practices of fill or kill, and in the end, we'll have a closing section where I will provide a checklist so that you can have a look at all of the things that you need to consider when you have to implement the fill or kill scenario. It's also important to clarify what this lecture will not cover within the context of fill or kill. This lecture will not cover processes that are unique to a particular industry within the context of fill or kill. For example, we have the fast-moving consumer goods processes which have samples and rebates, and I'm not going to cover how they work within fill or kill. And the reason is, if I go through all of those things through all industries, I'll never cover everything. I'd rather keep this lecture on a more generic level so that everybody can benefit from the course. So what is fill or kill? Well, it actually depends on the industry that you're in. The first definition of fill or kill is that it's an instruction specifying that if an order cannot be fulfilled in full, it should just be cancelled. i.e., if you cannot fulfill the order in its entirety, then don't ship it at all. In this case, it does not allow partial fulfillment. The second definition of fill or kill is the instruction that says ship me everything you have, and any balance, i.e. the back order, should just be cancelled. So for example, if I ordered a quantity of 10 and you only ship me 7, then that balance of 3 should just be cancelled and not shipped to me at all at a later date. So which scenario are we going to look at in our lecture? Well, we're actually going to look at the second definition of fill or kill, because that is used in most industries. The first definition of fill or kill is actually only really used for commodity trading and equities purchase. So that really is not as important as the standard one. We're going to have a look at the second example of fill or kill in this lecture. And fill or kill